In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank account to NerdWallet. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to nerdwallet.com and sign in to your account. If you are already logged in, that's great. You can move straight to the next part. If not, just take a moment to enter your login details and access your NerdWallet account before continuing. After you're signed in, look for the dashboard. This is the main area where you can view and manage your financial information. From there, find the option that says Add Account and click on it. This is the section that allows you to connect an external financial account, such as your bank account, so your information can be pulled into NerdWallet automatically. Once the Add Account window opens, you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type the name of your bank. As you type, matching results should appear, so take a second to make sure you select the correct institution. This is especially important if your bank has similar names to other banks or offers multiple login portals. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. At this stage, carefully type in the username and password you normally use to sign in to your bank's website or mobile app. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid connection errors. It's also a good idea to double check that you're using the correct login for the specific bank account you want to connect. Next, complete the two-factor authentication process if your bank requires it. This may involve entering a security code sent to your phone, email, or authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions closely, and be sure to complete this step promptly if the code expires after a short time. Once authentication is complete, NerdWallet will begin connecting to your bank. Depending on your bank, this may take a few moments. If everything is entered correctly, your account should sync successfully and appear in your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank account to NerdWallet using Google Chrome. If you run into any issues, take your time reviewing each screen carefully, especially when searching for your bank and entering your login details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.